Let's be real. Being a small YouTuber isn't easy. You spend hours scripting, filming, and editing only to see a handful of views. It's frustrating, discouraging, and also sometimes it feels like giving up is the only option. But here's the truth. Every big YouTuber started where you are now. So, how do you stay motivated when the numbers aren't adding up? In today's video, I'll share some personal struggles, practical tips, and a little tough love to help you push through and keep going. Let's dive in. First, let's acknowledge the struggles because it's real. Trust me, it's real. This is my third channel. So I have two other channels that I manage. So I would consider myself a small YouTuber also because I'm starting a new channel for you guys. You put in so much effort, but growth can be painfully slow. Watching other creators blow up overnight can be very disheartening. And balancing YouTube with work, school, or just life, that's a challenge all on its own. So trust me, I've been there and it's okay to feel overwhelmed, but the key is to focus on progress, not perfection. One of the biggest mistakes small YouTubers make is chasing huge milestones like 100,000 subscribers right away instead of breaking it down into realistic bite-sized goals. You start with something like upload 10 videos this month or gain 50 new subscribers in 30 days. Track your progress and celebrate the small wins. Remember, every milestone, no matter how small, it's a step towards your big dream. Okay. I remember when I grew my channel from 1,000 subscribers to 37,000 subscribers, I celebrated every milestone. 37,000 subscribers from 1,000. If you want to know how I grew that channel, just check out the next video. I'm going to link that in the cards. It's going to help you out. Speaking of milestone, don't underestimate the power of celebrating them. Whether it's your first subscriber or your first video hitting 100 views, take a moment to acknowledge your hard work. Okay, let me tell you how to make your views feel better to you. Okay, think about it like this. You post a video, you have 100 views and you're like, oh my God, my video is not doing well. It has just 100 views. Other people are getting 1,000 views. If you think about it realistically, you're in a room, so you have something to say. 100 people are in that room to hear what you have to say. If you physically put 100 people in a room that came out just to hear what you have to say, do you know how crazy that is? I want to say something. I have something to tell you, and 100 people show up. Physically, that's crazy. So because it's numbers on the screen, we look at it as 100 is nothing. Even 50 people coming out to hear what you have to say. It's crazy. So next time you post a video and it doesn't go as high as 1,000 view or even 500 view, think about it as 100 people came to hear what I have to say. 50 people showed up to hear what I have to say. It's not easy gathering 50 to 100 people somewhere. So don't make the numbers on the screen seem small. Do not downplay it because it's actually something. I share my milestone with friends and families. I treat myself to something small like buying myself a new tripod if that's what I've been eyeing, or buying myself a new light, or buying myself something I actually really want. Or a night off from editing. I just reward myself no matter how small it can be. So I celebrate every milestone. These are some of the things that keeps me going, keeps me more motivated to keep creating content. It might seem silly, but these celebrations remind you that progress is happening, even if it feels slow. This next tip is a game changer. Engage with your audience. I say this in almost all my videos. Reply to comments, no matter how small. Even if you don't have anything to say, you can reply with a heart emoji. Ask questions in your videos to spark conversations. You can also ask questions in your comments after you post a video. Go over to your comments and pin a question so you can engage with your audience and communicate with your audience. You're a human being, not a robot. I say this all the time. If you don't have a lot of comments yet, don't worry. Start with the ones you do get. Building connections with even a handful of viewers can give you the motivations to keep creating. Plus, loyal fans often become your biggest advocates. So when things get tough, remind yourself of why you started. Like, are you passionate about your niche? Do you want to share knowledge or inspire others? Or maybe you're creating a legacy for yourself. Basically, your why is what keeps you going. When the numbers don't, your why keeps you going. Write it down, stick it on a desk, or revisit it whenever you feel like quitting. Okay. That's why I tell you people, when you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to pick a niche, make sure it's something you're passionate about. Make sure it's something you can do in your sleep. Something you can talk about in your sleep, something that comes very easy to you. If you want to know how to start a YouTube channel or how to pick your niche, please check out the videos in the cards. Those will help you get there. Now, here are some practical tips to stay motivated as a small YouTuber. 1, batch create your content. Film multiple videos at once to avoid burnout. This is my 4th video that I'm filming today. I batch create so I have enough content to put out for you guys at different times. Okay. Not that you want to film one video, you film today, it takes you another 2 days or 3 days to be able to sit down and film one video. No, when you have the time to create, make sure you batch create. It helps. Two, I would say learn new skills, like take time to improve your editing, your thumbnail or storytelling. I already made a video on how to make your thumbnail stand out, how to create engaging thumbnails. So please check out that video. Three, I would say surround yourself with positivity, like follow other small creators and join supportive communities. Four, take breaks when needed. It's okay to take a step back and recharge. Okay. Motivation isn't about constant hustling. It's about pacing yourself for the long haul. So here's the bottom line. Growth takes time. The creators you look up to, they've been in your shoes. Trust me, you're building something that's uniquely yours, and that's powerful. So every video you upload is a step forward, and every viewer is a person who chooses to spend time on your content and with your content. So don't give up, okay? Your breakthrough might be closer than you think. Now I want to hear from you. What keeps you motivated as a small YouTuber? Let's connect in the comments. All small YouTubers, please, let's connect down below. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and check out the videos I link in the cards that will also help you on this journey. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep creating.